Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren Singh today inaugurated a slew of projects including water supply schemes in Tamenglong district, where a state cabinet meeting was also held. The cabinet meeting was held at the Tamenglong Mini Secretariat under Go to Hills mission. During his visit, Chief Minister Biren also laid foundation stone of various projects in Tamenglong district, which is considered the most backward district of Manipur. The function was held at Tamenglong Mini Secretariat. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh and the DGP of Manipur LM Khaute were also present on the occasion. Personnel of 6th India Reserve Battalion IRB Pangai today staged a protest demanding the authority concerned to remove Battalion Commanding Officer Mutum Kumarjit. They accused the CEO of misusing his power. Personnel of Imphal East Police and Haingang Police took stock of the situation. Secretary of Moirang Kendra Apunba Lot Kemkal H. Somikanta said Kemkal, an apex body of clubs and other local organizations of Moirang, welcomes the state government's announcement for road widening, blacktopping and reconstruction works along the road stretches from Moirang Lamkhai to Moirang Laikurembi Bridge. Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Loop, along with its branches, will start teaching Huyen Lalong, the Manipuri martial art, to the people from February next. The organization held a press meet at Manipur Press Club in this regard today. Food Safety Administration Bisnupur under Food Safety Standards Authority of India FSSAI, in association with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, organized a cycle rally cum poster campaign. The rally was held on the theme Eat Right, Bisnupur Cycle Rally cum poster campaign. India has slipped by 6 more positions to rank 86th among 180 countries in Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index (CPI) for 2020. According to reports, India's ranking in corruption perception has been on a constant fall since 2012. In 2012, India was placed in the 76th position. India scored 40 on a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 indicates highest corruption level while 100 is cleanest. Active cases in India continue to decline at a time when authorities are struggling to assure health workers and citizens of the vaccination's safety. The country reported 18,855 new cases in the last 24 hours, according to the Health Ministry's data as of 8 a.m. today. Meanwhile, over 29 lakh health workers have been vaccinated under the world's largest inoculation drive, which began on January 16. The virus since has infected over 1.07 crore people, 1.03 crore recovered 96.96%, while more than 1.54 lakh 1.44% have succumbed to it. As part of war against drugs initiated by the Manipur government, a combined team of Bisnupur Police led by Bisnupur Superintendent of Police assisted by NAB and 31 Assam Rifles personnel carried out an anti-poppy drive yesterday at the hill ranges of Sharanfai, New Dampi and K Bungsang under Kumbi Police Station in Churachandpur district. The combined team destroyed nearly 8 acres of illegal poppy straws during the drive. 66 candidates, including 20 females, have filed their nomination papers for the Aizawl Municipal Corporation AMC elections. Secretary of Mizoram State Election Commission Teddy Vanralrui said the ruling Mizo National Front MNF, Congress and Joram People's Movement JPM have fielded 19 candidates each, while the BJP is contesting in only 9 seats. The Sikkim government has asked all schools in the state to introduce 11 vernaculars in their curriculum from the next academic session for students to pick one as second language, a media report said. As of now, students in state-run schools are given Bhutia, Nepali, Lepcha and Limbu as options for second language, and 7 more would be added to the list. A police case has been filed against Congress MP Shashi Tharoor and 6 journalists for allegedly misreporting and spreading disharmony on Republic Day when a tractor rally by farmers turned violent in Delhi. According to media reports, all of them faced charges including sedition, criminal conspiracy and promoting enmity under the Indian Penal Code. President Ramnath Kovind addressed a joint session of the parliament today to mark the beginning of the budget session and paid tributes to late President Pranab Mukherjee and also lauded India for its massive vaccination drive. Speaking of the three farm laws that have put the Modi government in a tight spot with thousands of farmers launching massive protests across states, President Kovind defended the law, saying that the government has implemented the three farmers' bills after proper consultation 7 months back.